Number 23 says solve by the square root method. Basically, we're just trying to get x by itself. And the way I like to do that is I like to write down the order of operations that are being done to the x. So when I look at this problem, there is parentheses. And the first thing in that parentheses is a -1. So I have a -1 first. And then after the parentheses, I have an exponent. So then I have an exponent of 2. And then after that, I have a +3 on the outside. So for me to solve this by square root method, I need to do the reverse order. So the first thing I have to get rid of is the +3. To get rid of that, I have to subtract 3. And the 3's go away, because 3 minus 3 is 0. And then the next thing that I have to do is get rid of this exponent of 2. We get rid of exponents of 2 by square rooting. The reason I'm doing that next is because it's the second thing in the list. The square root and the exponent of 2 go away. So I'm left with x minus 1. And then you have to remember that every number has 2 square roots. The square root of 9 is going to be 3 or -3. Then I have to get rid of a -1. I have to add 1 to both sides, every piece. So I get x equals 4 or -2. And that would be my answer. I can check it pretty quickly by picking a number and plugging it into here. 4 minus 1 squared plus 3, and that is 12. And then I can take the other number, the -2, and I can put a -2 here and try to do that as well. That's how you check your answers on a test.